Okay, so we're going to put some CSS in here to pretty up our website a little bit. It's going to take a little while. There's a lot of stuff to do. Now, by default, browsers have all sorts of different padding and margins. So the first thing we do is use our asterisk. That selects everything, and then we set our margin to 0 pixels and our padding to 0 pixels. That'll push everything up against the side there. All right, so there's step one, just getting rid of default stuff. Now, also list style, we don't want any dot points. So we've just gone list style type none. That gets rid of all of our dot points. So now our lists will just look like this thing, then this thing, then this thing, then this thing. No dot points. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to set up everything, header, nav, article, setter, footer. So we just put commas and we display them as block elements. Now, we don't really need this part, but just in case some weird browser comes along that doesn't understand that each of those is a block element, we tell it. Now, just inside of our body, we're going to wrap everything in a div class called container. So everything from body to body is in a div class called container. That contains our entire website. Now, then we're just going to apply some centering to our container, the thing that contains our website. So we're going to put our width of 1000 pixels, a margin of 0 and then auto. Now the 0 is top and bottom, 0 margin between top and bottom. The auto sets the left and right margins to be the same. Okay. Now it doesn't look like they're the same, but that's because we've set the width to 1000. So it's from the left hand side all the way over there to 1000. And if we just type in we won't do that bit. Okay, so basically that's the beginning of setting up your website, just so that all of the browsers can understand it in the same kind of way, and also so it's set and centered a bit neatly.